Hello everyone, very good day. Welcome to Intrinsic Intelligence YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a curious topic in Java concepts, effective final. So which is a Java 8 feature. So we will see how effective final is useful and why it is brought into the Java programming language. Let us move on. So on the introduction, so we all know there is a final keyword and there is a effective final keyword. So these two are important and why these are created and why especially effective final is important. In general, what is final variable? If you declare a variable in Java as final, which means the value cannot be changed. So when you assign a value and then if you try to reassign it, we will get an error. So as simple as this. So we have a class called final example and we have a public static void main method and we have declared an integer as final, changing the value of the number which is declared as final to 10. We will of course get a compile time error and when we will not be able to run this program. So what is effective finals? Effective final, we explicitly need not declare a variable with a keyword final, but it will behave as a final when the values are changed in certain scenarios. We will see what are all those scenarios. So now we have effective final example lambda class and we have a public static void main. We have declared an variable as integer and the value is 8. We did not declare it as final yet. So what happens if we change that value inside an anonymous class or a lambda function? Inside this lambda function, we are changing the number to 10. Now we will get a compile time error. So whenever we try to change a variable which is not declared as final inside an anonymous class or a lambda expression from Java 8, we will get a compile time error. So here we did not mention it as a final keyword, but it acts implicitly as final. This is called a effective final. So why final keyword in Java? So consistency and predictability are the main reason. So when we change lambda in values in the lambda expressions or anonymous class, it lead to an inconsistent behavior. So the different part of the code might lead to a different variable value, leading to the dirty value reads. Concurrency issues. Suppose if a thread is accessing a value in one part of the code and then when the lambda expressions or anonymous class changes it, so there will be a race conditions or it could be incorrect or inconsistent results. So what we will do is we will try out what is on the final and the effective final on IntelliJ IDE. So I have created a solution class. I have created a public static void main. I have also created an effective final practice. So let's see in general what is a final variable will do. I am declaring a value integer as 10 and making it as final. Now I am trying to change it to 11. So here I am trying to print the value. So we got a compile time issue. What does it says? Cannot assign a value to final variable, which is right. So when I execute it, we'll get a compile time error. So cannot assign a value to a final variable. So what if I remove a final here and then run a program? Of course, it will print a value 11. It is a general case. Now, I am trying, what will I do is, now I am trying to change this value inside a lambda function. I have removed the final variable. It is just a normal variable now and there is no explicitly declaration of final. And if you see, variable used in lambda expressions should be final or effective final. So as it is a effective final, it is not able to change the values. Yep. So this is example which we have seen now. So this is the difference between final and the effective final. Moving on. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you so much for putting your time and effort into this video. Let us know in the comment section for more such videos on Java programming concepts. Thank you once again.